Good morning everyone. मैं लखनऊ मीना असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमेला जालना। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन हेनरी वोगन की पोइम द रिट्रीट। ठीक है, अब देखिए सर्वप्रथम तो पोइट के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में जान लीजिए, हेनरी वोगन के बारे में। Henry Vaughan, a Welshman who styled himself Celeste, was born in 1622. Educated at Oxford, studied law, and finally became a physician practicing in his native Wales. A staunch royalist, he with his twin brother Thomas suffered imprisonment. A serious illness in 1651 led to deep religious fervor, which thereafter appeared in his poems. His first work, Poems with the Tenth Satire of Juvenal Englishbe. His first work थी Poems with the Tenth Satire of Juvenal Englishbe, appeared in 1649, and a collection of poems translations published anonymously in 1651. Celery's Saint-Lance sparks from the flint in his best-known work and contains The Retreat and Beyond the Veil. He died in 1695. Henry Vaughan was a deeply religious poet. He called himself a disciple of George Herbert. He certainly belonged to the groups called the metaphysical poets. His poems are full of fine, fancy, strong religious feelings. Besides Retreat, two other poems of his, The World and The Beyond the Veil, are very well known. Vaughan, like Crassus, was at heart a mastiff, but more at home in scared than in secular work. His work never rose to the heights reached by Crassus, but he had a considerable gift of fantasy to decorate his serious view. Rather than to weave garlands for his pagan love, he was a man of good intellectual power and some originality. As compared with Crassus, he is like a gentle stream beside an impetuous waterfall, lacking the force and vigor of his contemporary. He has a more uniform clarity, and the waters are less remarkable to contemplate, but they are never muddy as the fiery torrent, while their tranquil windings bear with them a crystallic charm of their own. अब देखिए पोइम का भी इंट्रोडक्शन देख लीजिए। The Retreat is perhaps Henry Vaughan's best known poem. This is the only poem of the poet included in Pelarg's golden treasury of song and lyrics. Henry Vaughan was a deeply religious poet. In this poem, he regrets the loss of innocence of childhood, when life was lived in close communion with God. Accordingly, unlike most men who long to go forward, he longs to retreat to the blessed life he knew more before birth. Oh, how I long to travel back and tread again that ancient trail. It is commonly regarded that Vaughan's poems inspired Wordsworth's ode on intimations of immortality. Nearly 2 centuries लेटर। ठीक है, अब देखिए इस पोइम के बारे में देख लीजिए। देखिए टेक्स्ट देखिए। हैप्पी दोज अर्ली डेज व्हेन आई शाइन इन माई एंगल infancy before I understood this place appointed for my second days or taught my soul to fancy or what a wild celestial thought when yet I had not walked above a mile or two from my first. And looking back at that short space, could see a glimpse of his bright face. When on some gilded clouded floor, my gazing soul would dwell an hour, and in those weaker glorious by some shadow of eternity. अब देखिए इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में देखिए। These lines are from Henry Vaughan's poem entitled The Retreat, which means going back. In this poem, the poet regrets the loss of the innocence of childhood, when life was lived in close communion with God. The ideas in the lines of the poem are reflected in words or on intimations of immortality written nearly 2 centuries later. ठीक है, the poet says that he was very happy in his life when in heaven before coming to this earth. When he was an infant, he still was sinless. He remembered his that happy life. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। He had not yet understood the ways of this world when he destined to live a second life, the first being the life before birth in heaven. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। He had only the thoughts of heaven and the happy life there in his very early days. At this time he always felt that he was not far from his original home heaven. He says he was hardly a mile or two away from heaven. He could walk back to his life heaven and see God's bright face and the heaven's brightness whenever he saw golden floors shining in the bright sun or some golden clouds shining like gold because of the sunlight. He could look at them for hours, although the floors and the golden clouds were not as glorious as heaven. Yet they had traces of divine glory. In the weaker glorious the floors and the golden cloud, he could see more traces of eternal glory of heaven. ठीक है, अब ये देखिए नेक्स्ट। He could see in these things of earthly beauty a trace of the heavenly beauty he knew before birth in heaven. ठीक है, अब देखिए इसमें कौन कौन से क्रिटिकल नोट बनेंगे। It is commonly regarded that the poem Retreat inspired Wordsworth or on intimations of immortality means 2 centuries later. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट पोइम कल पढ़िए।